It's us. It's us. Oh.
The National Weather Service.
Oh yeah, you can see that lightning.
Holy
Holy shit.
thunderstorm warning for Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County
That's
in
us.
northwestern Indiana until 9:15 p.m. At 8:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Creek or over Steger.
Rocky, come inside. Come inside. Come inside. 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. What? Yeah, it's for us.
Expect considerable tree damage.
This severe thunderstorm.
Wind damage is also likely
Oh, I thought you were like going to say like there's a tornado going on. Right?
No, not yet.
What do you mean not yet?
There could be a tornado.
It's not
But get out, you're ruining my recording.
Valparaiso, Town of Pines, Lake Gallicalia, Beverly Shores,
You can watch in peace.
Hobart, Hebron, East Chicago, Porter, Dune Acres, Wheeler, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Munster, Highland,
You mentioned
Gary,
our town.
Boone Grove, New Chicago, Portage, South Haven,
I
and
bet there's
St.
gonna be
John.
one on the TV too.
Remain alert for a possible
Rocky's
tornado.
inside, right?
Tornadoes can
Rocky,
develop quickly
please,
from
just keep
severe
inside.
thunderstorms.
Rocky.
Oh, there she is. There she is.
Rocky, you might have to stay inside for a little bit.
Look at that lightning. My God.
Protection room to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I don't know
A
if you can
tornado
go out
watch
right now.
remains in effect
No,
until
she
10
can't.
p.m. for
You want to
northwestern
go to
Indiana.
Tripoli?
No, I don't.
It's good weather.
A severe thunderstorm.
Okay, watch it be on the TV. Watch it be on the TV.
So if you're done with kind of overpriced burgers, just come to Chili's. This Chili's
Sorry,
meat
Rocky,
is the
you feeling
best
off.
$10.99 you can eat.
It'll be on the TV in just a minute. Just wait.